Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Uh, there are many people are creating the free videos at Grok. Yesterday itself, the Grok they changed their plan as a premium. Okay, we can't create the free AI video anymore. So what to do? So the alternative solution. So I have created the AI video for free. You can you can see here. This is a video. This video I have created for free AI video. Okay, so here is all the things here. Okay, this tool also nice. So you can create it instead Grok. You can switch into this tool. So you can type a Rena. So that Rena, which is a best a tool for video, that currently they don't have a plan. So we don't know in the future they are switching that plan to Premiere. At the moment they are given us to work as a Premiere free plan. So here also you can generate the video. This is a tool which I use to generate these videos. Okay, but that video is good. Okay, so I'm not telling that this is best than Grok, but this is good for the free AI video creators, those who are creating the AI videos. Okay, realitics AI videos, this is much better for free plan. Okay, if you're buying, if you have money, you can buy on the Grok AI, that is it, which will be $30 per month. Okay, so that okay, so those who are looking for free AI video, you can go to over here. The same thing here as well. So you can generate a tiny image. So that same thing. Okay, so here you can go over here. There is a video and image also you can generate it. And video also here generated apps, also apps and website. There are a lot of choices available over here. So here that's generate the video. Click on the generate video option. So I'm going to go to create a video. So whatever video. Okay, so you will be able to choose one plan. Okay, so that so this is the, so you can create one of these. Okay, so I'm going to create this one like this one. You can see this cat. Okay, just use the text, this cat, this kitty is sleeping. I just want to sleeping. This kitty is sleeping. Okay, so click on it. Okay, okay, then still that image is downloading, so it's not download. So first you have to insert image, download. Okay, okay, it's starting to generate the video simultaneously. Okay, you can see that there are two videos creating at the same time. You can choose one. You can choose one. Okay, from these two. Okay, you can choose one from these two. Okay, so the advantage is at the moment we can create two different videos. Okay, you can select one which you like. So that is the advantages of this tool. Okay, so you have to mainly concern about the texting and images. That is a very important stuff while you creating that videos. Okay, that you have to mainly concern and consider about those things. This is a very must. Okay, okay, let's waiting for the result. This is not uh, display the, this is not generate the image very quickly. It's not generated the video very quickly. It takes some time to create the videos. Okay, that if you are a Grok user, it is created the video within 1 minute, within 1 minute. So not like this. It takes some time to create, because we have to create the two videos per generation. So you have to wait until the things created. let's look at the result of these two generated video. Let's go to the first one, click on it. Here it's very awesome. This the results is display awesome. Yeah, it's very good. Okay, it's a both are very good. So you can see. Okay, now you will be happy, I think. Okay, so that if the Grok is gone, you can try on this one. This is very helpful to create your AI video in the future. If you have any question and queries, you can comment me. I'm here to answer you. Uh, Thank you for watching.